Hey, welcome back to my channel, where I share useful tips to help you look and feel your best. In today's video, we're diving into the world of feminine style. Whether you're looking to embrace your femininity or add a touch of elegance to your wardrobe, we've got you covered. Let's get started. This video includes styling clothes, accessories, hairstyles, and layering. Styling clothes, ways to elevate your outfits plus dress more elegantly. When it comes to dressing more feminine, opt for flowy dresses, skirts, and pastel colors. Embrace floral patterns and lace-lined clothing for a romantic touch. Dresses and tops with sweetheart necklines as well as high-waisted bottoms can accentuate your silhouette, creating a more feminine look. Accessories. Accentuate your outfits with various accessories. Accessories can elevate your entire look. Add delicate jewelry, such as dainty necklaces, bracelets, and earrings, to complement your outfit. Invest in a classic pair of heels or ballet flats to add a touch of sophistication. Consider incorporating a stylish handbag that complements your overall color scheme. Remember, it's the little details that make a big difference. Hairstyles. Glam up your outfits with complementary hairstyles. Experiment with soft curls, braids, or elegant updos to enhance your feminine aura. For the black girls, try styling your braids in various styles and experiment. Accessorize your hair with cute hairpins, headbands, or scarves for a playful and stylish look. Play around until you discover what suits your face shape and personal taste. Layering. Add depth and versatility to your outfits. Mix and match different textures and fabrics to create interesting combinations. Pair a lightweight cardigan or a stylish blazer with your outfits for a polished touch. Don't forget about scarves, which can add warmth and style during colder seasons. Layering allows you to express your creativity and adapt your look to various occasions. And there you have it, tips to achieving a more feminine look. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression, so feel free to experiment and have fun with it. Until next time, stay fabulous.